Humans aren't the only clever species. Here are 10 of the smartest animals alive today. 1. Chimpanzees. Use tools and solve puzzles. 2. Dolphins. Have names and advanced communication. 3. Crows. Solve problems and recognize faces. 4. Elephants. Show memory and emotions. 5. Octopuses. Escape enclosures and solve mazes. 6. Parrots. Can mimic human speech. 7. Orangutans. Use tools in the wild. 8. Pigs. Learn tricks as well as dogs. 9. Dogs. Understand human words and emotions. 10. Rats. Solve mazes and show empathy. Which animal do you think is secretly smarter than humans? Subscribe Infini Top 10 for daily doses.